Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about sampling for DJing. So first, how can I make my own sample with a normal track, and after, how can I play it into 3 different software, DJ software, Serato, Traktor and Recobox. So first, I have to make my sample. So I take my sound, my track, and put it in Audacity. The track is like that. So I have a little part. It could be synths, it could be a kick, a snare, a clap, a voice, a vocal, what you want. And I'm going to separate the voice. So like that, I can have just the voice for my sampling. So the start of the loop, of the sample, the end. More you zoom in, more you will have a good sample in tempo, etc. etc. I export into my deck. So I will call sample 3 for this video. Okay, check. And we will see in Serato. So in Serato I have a little playlist. You can make, you can put your sample directly into a box like that. I will skip this one. Where is my folder? Okay, so I can put my sample directly here, or I can put it directly into a playlist and put my sample, no problem. After I will put my track here and move into the part I want. This is it here. I'm going to put 16-bit here. So I have my loop with my instrumental, but not my vocal, and I will put my sample directly. So be sure it's sync to this track or to another track, and be sure you have your sample volume or the channel where the sample exits directly put like that. And here we go. So it was with Serato. Now I'm going to open Traktor and see how it is with it. So I have my sample. I can drop directly into my sample here, of course, like that. So I can listen to it in Dixie. Or I can put it directly here and directly on my deck like that. So it's not synced for the moment because there is no track. Okay, so let's move this one. And after, I'm going to take my track. This one here, I can put it in playlist if I want, and go to master here. Here and here. Put 16 bar, 16 bit for my instrumental part. And go to my sampler it's my sample. And we have another manipulation if you want to make a sample. It's very easy. It's directly from a tractor. You go directly to the point you want to sample, like that. You choose a loop with this sample. You take the deck you want to put your sample, like that, and you have your 8-bit sample. You go to the instrumental part. Like this. You go back to your sample and you put your sample here. Of course, like another software, if you go to the track and you push less beat if you want, the sample will follow with match to it. Simple like that. And last example with Recobox. So I open a Recobox and in my collection I have my track, my original sample. Be sure you have sync in it and loop mode here. And we go directly, play the track, go to the moment I want to make my loop, and you can make your sample. And like Tractor, I can directly into Recobox make my own sample. You have just to go the moment you want. You make a loop, 8-bit. And you stop the music, you take those knives here, you take it into the sampler, and you play your music like that. It's one shot, but I can, I can make a loop like that. So it was the sampling subject. If you have any question, feel free to ask under the video. See you next content. Bye bye, take care.